Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about asparagus or asparagus in English. That's weird. English name is the same as the botanical name. So this is a plant which we in Europe we usually eat the spring shoots, and it has these red berries in autumn. The red berries contain black seeds, and the seeds, when you sow them, they usually take 4 to 8 weeks to germinate, and this is how the first year seedlings look like. This is a cultivar called Erasmus, or the Dutch would say Erasmus, and this is another cultivar which I planted some years ago. This one is Pacific Purple, and it's a female plant. You can see the red berries here. And the Erasmus cultivar is an all-male cultivar, which is very good if you want to grow asparagus, because it only makes shoots in spring, and seed is not made because it would weaken the mother plant. You can see asparagus has these roots, and these roots are now ready to be planted outside. These been growing here for a season, so a half year, and you can see these small buds. These are going to be next year's shoots, and I just cleaned the roots and plant these outside because I like asparagus, and this is a purple one, like a Pacific Purple, and these will grow into big octopus like my finger, that thick roots. And usually when you grow asparagus from seeds, you don't cut the shoots in the first 4 springs outside. These are totally hardy in Europe, and they're also native in Europe. And this plant, this yellow one, is a bigger one. I dug it up from a road building site, and normally these plants are growing wild in very light sandy soils in Hungary. So here's an older plant. You can see these roots are totally compacted, and this will be planted out now, and we are going to wait 2 seasons to pick the shoots in spring, because it's already a more mature plant. And I try to show you the new buds, but they are deep. You can grow asparagus as white asparagus, which is when you plant the roots deep and you harvest them when the new shoots just start to poke through the soil surface. In Germany it has great traditions, and also in southern Hungary it has great traditions growing white asparagus, and the growers usually make these mounds over the plant, like half a meter or more, and they grow the shoots up under protection of the soil and black and white plastic, and they harvest the shoots from March till June. Now we are going to grow green asparagus, or in the case of the purple cultivars, purple asparagus. So they are going to be planted shallow, like just a couple of centimeters deep in the soil. And because this is a seed-grown plant, I don't know if it's going to be male or female, because asparagus can be can have only male flowers, only female flowers, and hermaphrodite flowers. And This one is an ornamental asparagus, which was dug from my grandmother's garden. It's called Asparagus verticillatus because it has these very nice, short, compact growth, and the leaves are arranged in a special formation. These are actually not leaves, these are phylloclades. These are actually stems, flattened, or act like as leaves. As far as I know, all asparagus which are native in Europe can be eaten. You can see the young shoots here, and you can see the old roots which are brown or yellow, and the new roots which are nice, white and thick, and you can see that it started to grow from here, and these are the new shoots which were going to come up next spring, and you can see smaller shoots here. And this is the tip of the rhizome, so it's a rhizomatous perennial plant, which is deciduous also. Okay. Well, I will spare the planting. I'm going to plant them only this deep, so about 2 inches, 2 to 3 inches, or 5 to 8 centimeters. And that would be all. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Goodbye.